For those of you who are just visiting, welcome to VillainCon. You're in the show floor, so this is the entry to our attraction and the convention itself. Want to talk a little bit about the app today. I'll just wait till everybody rolls in. So, a few more?
Yeah.
Come on in, come on in, come on in. We're taking pictures. One of the things that makes this attraction truly unique is the fact that we have the ability to add lots of repeat play and change the way you play the game every time. So one of the cool things that we've added is the app itself. By using the app, it allows you to modify all the things that come out of your blaster and also keep your score and collectibles that you'll find throughout the attraction. I'm going to talk through a few of the features of the app and then we'll go play.
Okay, thank you so much.
So the first thing you'll notice is in the top left, come on in, is that your score will show up. You can see your overall score, today's best and last play as well. Up in the top right, you'll notice that my level is 12. By playing the attraction over and over again, that number will increase, and this unlocks additional perk slots, it unlocks additional missions, and different things that you can do to kind of change the way you play the experience. Speaking of changing the experience, there are multiple missions that kind of change the overall objective. Your base objective is to kind of just cause as much destruction as possible and gather loot to get this high score, but the different villains will challenge you with different objectives, and by doing so, you'll be able to earn awards and perks from them as well. So Nunchuck, for instance, will challenge you to destroy 15 flying targets throughout the attraction. If you do so, you may unlock her flying Nunchuck launcher by default. All right, throughout the attraction, the highest scoring item, I'm telling you the secret, are the collectibles themselves. These will get you lots and lots of points. The cool thing about the collectibles is that not only do you get the points for them, but you can actually track which ones that you get in the attraction. So this is the base one, that's about 1,000 points you get for a bronze coin. You'll be able to know all of the different collectibles that you can get as you get them. There are even some outside hidden tap points that you can tap. There's one right there that'll help you get kind of some location-based play in the space as well. All right, now my favorite part, which is the lab. This allows you to configure your blaster, and if you all have the app right now, good news, there's some things that you'll get out the gate. First of all, you'll have the ability to modify whatever base element you have in the attraction. There are 4 different elements: force, fire, freeze, and lightning. All of these things have different properties that determine, that have different advantages depending on what you're trying to blast. They also all work against the minions and create pretty hilarious reactions when you hit the minions. You have the ability to both assign and change your launcher. So there are multiple launchers that you can get. As you can see, some are locked, but by doing missions, you'll be able to unlock more. By default, you can choose from these 3. The banana bomb is your base. You have the fart bomb, which is kind of an area of attack, makes the minions go crazy. And then you have a pinballer that bounces all over the place. When you click on it, you also have the ability, if you come every month, to add seasonal skins. So for instance, during February, I can add Mardi Gras beads and change the skins of my Mardi Gras beads, or I can change it to gelato. Right? Different types of things can happen. During October, you can blast exploding pumpkins and flaming turkey legs in November. So lots of cool stuff you can add depending on what you want to do and how you want to customize your play. It's not just about the feel, but also about the look and how you style on people. Finally, when you think about, or actually the most important and biggest attack is the ultimate. When you've earned enough points, you have the ability to do an ultimate blast. You'll see your blaster saying ultimate enabled. You'll be able to do a really powerful blast into the scene, and it'll have a few different shots. As you can see, some are unlocked, but you have the ability to change these as well. By default, you have the Uni Blaster, which is kind of a mix of all elements, but you can earn things from different villains. For instance, I have El Macho's Unholy Guacamole, which launches a giant exploding avocado into the scene, causing lots of damage. When you start to put everything together, what you want to do is look at the perks. Now, good news, when you download the app, you'll get a perk slot by default. This will allow you really to change the way your elementals come out of the blaster. So for instance, you can add multi-burst, so multiple projectiles come out. You can force supercharge so that your base damage is stronger, or you can add spread blast. I've stacked all 3 in this case for for force, so that I'm getting lots and lots of damage. Other things you can do is increase your ultimate ammo or have your ultimate charge faster. It's really up to how you want to play. I actually don't know the best combination that's going to get you the best score. It's kind of how you want to play and up to your strategy. That's really the detail on the app itself. When you're ready to use it, all you have to do is open the app, grab your blaster, click Sync Blaster, and then it'll scan right on top where you see the little screen via NFC, and you're off to the races. So that's the app, and that's how we create persistent, fun experiences. So looking forward to you all playing, and I think you can go play now. You can stop looking at me.